Hi everyone, this is Paris here. So welcome you to the AI Masterclass. Today we're gonna learn fashion student. You can use AI for the working process. Okay, so how these AI tools are useful for us, what all tools we have to use, and how a fashion design student, or you can say a studio owner, can use AI on a daily basis to earn money through that and to seamlessly work through the illustration. Okay, so hi, this is Paris here. So I've been into this industry from past 7 years. Earlier, I used to work as a full-time designer, and it's been 4 years. I have been started working into freelancing. So currently, I work as a freelancer. So I do like couple of things as a freelancer. So I give illustrations to the clients, tech packs, designing. So all those basic things I basically do as a freelancer. So this is my journey. And apart from that, I work with the different colleges, institution, and even have my own academy where I teach you guys about illustration. Then you say portfolio making. Nowadays, we started with the AI teaching as well. I hope you all are excited for learning. So the rules are very clear for this class. So if you guys have any doubts in between, you want to ask something, so there is a chat box available here. You can just message whatever doubts you have. If I have to take your doubts directly on a class, so I will take doubts on class only, or else we will reply you through the chat box. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we'll start with a little theory part. Okay, what all things we have. I will be just presenting a presentation in front of you. Then we're gonna start. Okay, so first of all, we are understanding how AI is helpful for us as a designer. So here we will continue. So what is basically AI? I know a lot of you guys already know about AI, but there are few people just heard this word for the first time ever. What is AI? See, in simple technical way, you can say AI is a technology that allows computer to think, learn, and create. See, in simple way, AI is just a basic tool which will help you to create and to learn things, to think, and basically doing the research part. So all those things we do with the AI. Okay, so it's just a smart, you can say, the assistance for you. For example, today, if I'm in this world and I want to starting a new brand or I want to start a new business, so generally, I will start hiring few people for myself to do the research. Nowadays, instead of hiring a lot of people in an initial stage, we generally use AI also to solve our basic problems on a daily basis. Okay. As a company, so we also use AI on a daily basis. Like we generally create the graphics and this presentation, what you are seeing today also, this is also done through AI only. Okay. So AI also help you to understand the images, generate the text, create designs, assist decision making. So a lot of things it will be helpful for you. For example, today if I go to AI and if I will ask AI, okay, which material is this? Will this look good on my phone or no? So these kind of basic things I ask from AI. So this will help me to understand the things better and it will help me to take my decisions better, you can say. Okay. How AI can help you as a fashion designer. So there are a couple of things which AI can do for you. So first of all, it will help you to generate the design ideas. So you can basically think on your mind, okay, you want to design a t-shirt with a logo on it. So you will have to think, then you will do the sketching. After the sketching is done, then you will go to market, you will get it stitched. Then you will see how your t-shirt is looking. Earlier, we used to do these things through AI. Sketching part, we used to sketch our ideas, then we need to do a digital illustration. This is what we used to do. Nowadays AI is a next step. We can do the illustration, that is our design process, but if you want to imagine that in a real life, that AI can help you do better. Okay, apart from that, it will help you to find the reference images betterly. Generally, when I want to like design any t-shirt or I want to design any hoodie, I want to place some prints on it. Okay, so now to explain that prints to a karigar or to a pattern maker, I need to search a lot earlier. I used to go to Pinterest. From Pinterest, I get a lot of images. Then out of those images, I used to choose one image as a reference image. This I was used to do. But nowadays, to find those reference images, I have to just generate some good prompts. After I am done with the prompting, then automatically AI will create a good images for me. Apart from that, it help us to do a sketching refinement. It help us to do the print making. So a lot of things as a fashion designer we do using AI on a regular basis. Apart from these things, we can do a lot of couple of things like mood boards making. It will help us to maintain our work little bit faster and we will be able to do our work automatically 10x. Okay. So this will help you a lot because I have been using AI since a long time. It's been 2 years I have been using. Earlier, with the full time, we are using AI from 1 year. For that, we were using very basic tasks through AI doing research. But nowadays, AI tools, regular basis, there are new tools coming up in a market. We also have to do a research. We can't be like, okay, we know this tool, we know this tool. We regular basis, we find new and new technologies is coming, new and new tools are coming. We are also doing experimentation. We are doing the research part. Then we are finding a best option for us, and then we implement that on our company. Because on a regular basis, we each and every day we do 10 to 15 sketches on a regular basis. To do those sketches earlier, we have to do each and everything by ourselves, even motif drawing, even sketch refinement, even doing the lookbooks and everything. Nowadays, we treat AI as an assistant and we grow as a freelancer. Because into the freelancing, you can earn a lot of money when you are working with the different clients as a designer, as an illustrator. Now, to get those money, you have to regularly do on the hard work basis. But using AI, I can do a lot of things apart from like doing it myself. Few things I do it through AI. I take assistance in terms of like fabric refinement, choosing things, taking my decisions. So a lot of things we can do. We will learn all these things practically. I'm just giving a very brief about AI. Those are very new, just a very theory part. I don't do much of the theory sessions, but yeah, we are doing just 15 to 20 minutes of theory session so that things will come into your mind कि how AI is helpful for you. आपको थोड़ा माइंड में आइडिया लग जाएगा कि AI एक्चुअली है क्या 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 चीजें AI से हो जाती हैं. ओके, so apps you can use for AI, that is like ChatGPT, Better, Gemini. These two are the apps which we generally use on a regular basis. Apart from that, there are a lot of another so sorry, lot of another AI apps like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Adobe Firefly, Canva AI. Then for the videos, I generally use Meta AI, Runway, Sora. These are the couple of apps which you can take. You can take a screenshot of this screen so you will get an idea of what all apps you can use on a regular basis. So AI has two segments, AI as a fun, AI for a professional reasons. As a fun, though, you must have used till now. You must have seen a lot of Instagram trends are coming on a regular basis. Out of those trends, you must be picking some of the trends and you are doing few illustrations. These things you are already doing, I know. But that is AI for a fun. Now you have to understand how AI will be used for a professional purposes. In a professional purposes, you can basically do design concepts, fashion sketches, visual understanding, portfolio work, client project. For AI for a fun, you can basically use avatars, filters, cartoon faces, Instagram trends, a lot of things you can do as a fun and a lot of things you can do as a professional work. Can we earn money through AI? Yes, we can definitely earn money through AI. A lot of things I do. I also do like earning through AI a lot of time. We do photo shoots for a brands. A brands come to us, they give us the images of their garment. We do a photo shoot of that. The earning structure is little low because we are using AI. We are understanding how AI will be helpful for you. Even I am also trying to explore how I can get the opportunities through AI. We have figured out few ways apart from like doing normal illustrations. We have started doing like AI photo shoot for a brand. If there is a new age brand, for example, 1 or 2 students are starting their new brand, they don't have a budget of doing photo shoot of like 50,000. They come to us, they give us like 5 to 10,000 rupees, and then we do like photo shoots through AI. Apart from that, we help brands to understand the motif quality better, increasing the quality of motif, increasing the image quality. All those things we have started working. We have also started selling the sketches. We have started selling a lot of croquis. So a lot of things you can do through AI. Nowadays, AI has like a lot of opportunity. You have to just understand, figure out a way and start working on that. Because we have been doing the freelancing since a long period. Now we know how to scale the freelancing business, how to earn money through designs. We run a lot of Instagram pages. From there, we generate the sales. So we know all these things. But you have to understand, first of all, how to use AI. Then you can start earning and scale your businesses. Okay. Is sketching possible with AI? Yes. Matlab generally, if you want to like get a complete sketch from AI, that is not possible because it's an AI model. It's not a drawing model. So you can refine the sketches, but not like making a cool sketches. I will teach you this process. Today, we're going to understand this. Abhi, I don't have a pen and paper, so I will do rough sketches through iPad. Like with the iPad, I will do rough sketching. If you don't have an iPad, you can use the pencil sketches, take images of that and do it. Okay. You guys are learning, enjoying the process, not getting boring. Okay. So how a AI can be used on a daily basis for a fashion designer. This I've just kept an activity that in a morning time you start working on image generation, you start finding the reference images. Second day you do like sketching, print designing through AI, and in afternoon you do some styling projects, you do some presentation preparation, and in evening time you can do your portfolio refinement. This is just a fun activity. You can take a screenshot and you can try from a regular basis, because I want you guys to keep the AI in your habit. You are learning this live session, this 2-hour masterclass. In this I can teach you everything but I know through AI basics. Abhi, how you have to apply that is the important part, because main thing is like you are using all these technique by yourself, then only you will be able to understand better. Okay, now we're going to start how to do rough sketches to the final illustration. This I will be teaching you today. Drawing on a paper, capturing the image, then uploading through AI, converting and doing the clean sketches, transformation, extra adding detailing. So all those things we're going to learn today. So how we can do, if for example, today you want to start your own brand, a new brand, how you can do that AI thing with brand. First, you can use ChatGPT and Gemini. You can basically generate the design ideas. You can figure out the collection themes name. You can also figure out the brand names. You can provide feedback to the clients. You want to understand the career guidance. So all those things we can do through AI. Now, okay, we can continue. Okay, that's it. This was a little presentation which I have given you so that you get an idea ki how AI will be helpful for you.